Hello everyone, back with another cooking video. And as you can see, this is not my kitchen. This is not my normal cooking video kitchen. I am home in Charleston with me, Madre. I don't know if she wants to be on camera. She says she's not camera ready.
No, not camera ready.
But yet you look back and smile.
Well,
Yeah.
not.
That was a little sneak peek to the camera. All right, but we are here and we are preparing a meal because I have to work, unfortunately, on Thanksgiving. And my mom too. We are preparing our Thanksgiving meal tonight, right now. I don't know when this video is gonna upload, but we are preparing it right now in this moment. And so she got the collard greens on. She already had the red rice going. Oh, for someone who says she ain't camera ready, she sure helped me out with the kitchen with the film. Okay, and then I think we're gonna get the turkey going. At some point, turkey, you gotta throw out a little bit more. But you know what my responsibility is? The mac and cheese, all right? So I figured this is the perfect time to show you guys how to cook mac and cheese that I've learned from my mother, and she learned from her mother. So, you know, R.I.P. grandma. But, so yes, and like, she has been like, kind of like asking me questions about the mac and cheese, but I'm like, you let me take this over. So don't be asking no questions over here. However the mac and cheese turned out, however the mac and cheese turned out. But it's gonna turn out great, because when I'm back at my place in Rock Hill, I've cooked mac and cheese multiple times. You know, of course it's gotten better over time, and it is now bomb now. Of course, you know, I don't know if it compared to my mom mac and cheese. What you think? You think my mac and cheese compared to your mac and cheese?
I don't think so.
She said she don't think so. She said she don't think so. So I'm about to, you know, gotta put my hair back, gotta get ready. Gotta get ready to get down and dirty. Wow, this pot, first she boiled a pot, put some salt in the pot, because she said she wanted to boil the pot first, then put the noodles in, okay? But after the noodles boil, we got our eggs ready, we got our cheese ready, and then we got our cooking milk, okay? And then we gonna get a stick of butter, y'all, and we'll be ready to throw down, okay? And because I'm a little bit lactose, and so is my mom, we don't need no sharp. We gonna do the mild, okay? But it's still, I promise you, it's still gonna be cheesy, but you gotta get the block cheese and put it in your mac and cheese. Okay, and we're back, okay? So I had to like unbutton my vest. I had to put back my hair so we can get to serious business, okay? So noodles is already boiled, okay? Nice and soft. The noodles are cooked. I just put it in this from the pot to drain it. And now we're gonna put it in our clear dish, okay? All right. Sorry, my head is cut off, okay? Nice and hot, yes. My mom was probably like, what you got going on? That's how you feel, Mom? Okay. All right. Let me get my knife. Wait, should I use this? No, I want the knife to be really sharp. Real sharp.
Then look over here, this one.
I wasn't trying. Look, y'all, my mom got these fancy matching knives. I gotta show y'all. Fancy knives. You know, people be chopping their hand off. I'm sorry.
A big knife.
Yeah, they be chopping their hand off.
You might chop, but that one you should be able to see and know what you're doing.
Yeah.
Figure out the weight.
All right, y'all. I mean, I could have used like a kitchen scissors, but I'm gonna just do it that way to open it up. All right. So what we are gonna do on our cutting board is we're gonna cut little chunks of this so we can put it in this, okay? Sure, everything's like self-explanatory and I really don't have to say it. I am loving this tripod, y'all. Like, it, you know, and this new iPhone, the combination is just perfect. Like, I don't, you know, I still probably will invest in a camera just so I don't have to keep using up all my storage on my phone. But for right now, no, Mom, my iCloud storage is full. I do not have a lot of storage on my phone. That means like my phone, like nothing is backed up because it's full. I still have storage on my phone, but nothing is backed up because it's full. Which I really just want to turn iCloud off, to be completely honest. iCloud.
Oh, you'll take it because it's full?
Because it's full, and like the messages keep popping up, and there's like no, like I don't want it anymore. Like I don't care if my photos and videos are backed up at this point. Because, you know, the message is just annoying.
Oh, okay, so then so you can't put that in and back it up like a little...
Like I can definitely back it up to my computer.
Okay.
Yeah, like the photos, videos, like I do that anyway.
Okay.
But it's just the iCloud that comes with Apple software, like, you know, that's just full. Because they just want you to buy more. That's all they want you to do.
Yeah, but I mean, actually, but then you're forward. You back
Okay,
it up to something.
Huh? What?
You need to figure out how to back your laptop up.
Yeah, I know.
So go to the Best Buy and find out.
Okay, I go to Best Buy. I will find out.
You know, because otherwise that's all it is. You want to buy, and I guess I'll take it.
Bye bye.
But it seems
Bye
like
bye
a
bye.
little SIM card or something.
Oh, so I asked my mom, I was like, so we about to like chow down tonight, like have Thanksgiving tonight? She talked about no, because I got to get ready for work tomorrow. So we about to just do Thanksgiving dinner tomorrow, y'all. Tomorrow when she gets in from work, but everything will be prepared. And I don't know about you guys. I mean, some people like cooking like their stuff like fresh. Now we used to do that, but we didn't have to when we didn't have to work and I didn't have to travel. Yes, and like she, you know, my mom was saying the turkey will be fresh. Like, you know, like when you wake up in the morning and you got your mom in the kitchen cooking for hours and hours. But listen, we gotta prepare over here because we are working ladies. We are working ladies. We can't do that. Where's my spoon? Gotta mix up. And really, I don't have no particular order that I do this in, y'all. I'm just trying to get the cheese in here because the noodles is hot, so it can melt a little bit. But I'm gonna cut up my cheese. I'm gonna put my whole stick of butter in here. I gotta put an egg in here, and then this caramel milk. Mom, do you have a specific order that you do things in, or no, or don't matter because they're all gonna go in together?
I just usually do the eggs last. You know.
Oh, okay.
Last, once you get them, after the egg, then you know, then the cream.
Okay, eggs last and then cream.
Yeah, you want the noodles to be hot.
Right, to melt the cheese. That's what I'm so we on the same page.
Now, you got your margarine to put in it?
Mom, that is you getting the margarine right now?
Yeah, but I wasn't getting it for you. I was getting it for me. What you need? You want to do
one stick?
You put a whole stick in it?
Yeah,
you do it just to be real greasy, but I mean it's fine. I do like 3/4 from a stick.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, you do this.
Mom versus daughter cooking. She don't want me to put a whole stick in it.
Yeah, that's too much.
She want me to put a whole stick.
It's like eggs, you know, I do go 3 eggs in there, but some people probably do 4 eggs or whatever, but you know,
I don't know how many eggs I put in there.
3 eggs is good.
You can cut it up, y'all, like as small as this, or you can do little rectangles, however you want your cheese to be in your squeeze. Okay, just the noodles, just the cheese. And we had like a half a cheese, so I had this just in case I wanted to add more cheese, but we will see. Mom, you know I'm talking to these folks right now. It look real. It look real. It look real cheesy.
So actually, you and all,
Mom, be careful what you said because I am recording. What are you talking about? What was you about to say?
And I'll ask you later.
Yeah, ask me later. I have no mans right now. I have no mans. Don't be asking me about no mans.
Friends? No friends? No friends?
Well, I might have a couple of friends. Got a couple of associates.
No, I mean the one that you had.
No, I think he.
You don't mean a man?
I think he wanted to have a clean break to work on himself.
Oh, yeah, he probably does.
So,
That's true.
another story for another time.
Move on. You say just learn from every experience and keep it moving.
Exactly.
Exactly.
But no, you did. You did. You did. You did. You did. She playing y'all, but she did like him. But then you know how moms go. You know, she did like him. And then son, and then when when things come out, right? She dancing over here. She didn't like him, and then when things come out, and when it don't work out, then of course she gonna be like teen daughter, right? And she gonna be like, yeah, I didn't never like him to begin with. Okay.
At least 6 feet.
So I didn't use a whole stick of butter, y'all. I just used like 3/4 cups of butter. All right. Who? Yeah. Yo, I might add a little more cheese. I'ma grab the camera, zoom in before I put it in the oven. She about to put the ham on too. Then you gonna cook the pineapple tea?
No. No. You know pineapple tea? You better work in Walmart more than yourself, right?
Lemon tea. She used to do this she still does sometimes, but I'm a pineapple tea person, not a lemon. Like, I like lemon tea, but she used to get the pineapple juice, and she used to, like, boil the tea, make sweet tea, but put the pineapple juice in it. Oh, that thing is so good. I'm trying to find the camera, because this thing is sideways. But that thing is so good, and now all she do is put lemon juice in it. So it's lemon tea. No. The pineapple tea was really good, Mom. All right. Now I gotta do my egg. Yeah, so does mine. And then sometimes when I be cooking like frozen stuff, it be like saying I gotta cook it on 400 and stuff. And my little oven be smoking. Cause that thing is so high, Like we always cook everything on 350, And I mean the blacks. But yeah, so everything's always on 350, and then when I be like cooking stuff and it be like 400, 450, I'm like, I don't know, right? I'm gonna do 3 eggs, because my mama says she do 3 eggs. So we'll do 3 eggs. That's a rich when you do 3. Say it for the camera. You enjoy having me home, Mom?
Of course I do, dear.
Oh,
love
you got
having you home.
Oh.
Y'all enjoy it, love it. So we cook together.
Oh, we don't do this often though. Yeah.
So now take time out to do that.
Yeah.
You're always working. So life is all about, right?
Trying to get y'all to see. So I have added the cheese. I've added the 3 eggs. I've added like a little over a half a stick of butter. Don't know the measurements, and now I'm about to put my cooking milk in here. 3/4 stick of butter, and then I'm about to put the can.
8 cups. So it's like almost like you're doing about a half would be 4 tablespoons would be half of that stick because it's 8. And you've been doing maybe like 5 or so, 5 or 6. Stuffing.
Mom, you need to in one. My mom don't want me touching the camera because the phone dirty and the cooking. Show the camera. You can lift up the camera. Okay. Well, she is putting brown sugar on her ham. Show the camera. She putting brown sugar on her ham right there. What else you gonna put on it?
Nothing to wrap it up. Sometimes people put pineapple.
Yeah.
You know, pineapple on it, but I really rarely do the pineapple. So I just do this. But if you want pineapple, you can do the pineapple. Put that on there. And be good to go. And then wrap it up in the oven for about 30 to 45 minutes.
30 to 45 minutes. Y'all hear? How long should the mac and cheese be cooked, or until it's just cook until it's ready? Yeah. Cook until it's brown. Wrap it, seal it, cook, put it in the oil, wrap it, seal it. Do you want me? Now, Mom said she put 2 of these cooking milks in there.
Well, you just want to cover it up.
Yeah. See, I think, look, it's covered. Look.
It's covered?
You don't need them.
Yeah, all right, it's covered.
See, I don't do one.
Because some of the noodles just stick it out in the milk like that.
Yeah. Yeah, you know, some people cook their mac and cheese, they cook it hard, they bake it hard. Real cheesy. And like everybody kind of makes their mac and cheese different. Like I think, like some people get way too carried away with the cheese.
Well, they put a lot of different cheeses.
They put a lot of different cheeses, and then they'll be like sprinkling cheese on top. It's too much. We not. Promise you, this is about to be bomb. The way that it is, it's about to be bomb. We don't need all that. Do not need all that.
No ma'am, no ma'am.
No ma'am.
You'd be surprised. Just keep it simple. Girl, just as good.
Look, this is enough cream.
Yeah.
All right. All right.
That's good. Stuffing, you
Gotta make it neat. Gotta make it neat.
That and then that's it.
That is the finished product. And I'm about to put the lid on it. And it's about to go in the oven.
Now you cover those up when you cook it?
Yes, I do cover it up. And that is the ham. She said sometimes she covered up, sometimes she don't. But now, you know, for a while when I lived by myself and I didn't have all the essentials, the thing that I would put my mac and cheese in didn't have a top. So I had no choice but to leave it uncovered. But and a whipping in the kitchen in the stir fry. And a whipping in the kitchen. All right, about to put this in the oven. Woo! We about to show you the finished mac and cheese after we done, and maybe the ham possibly. That was a little bonus. All right. Okay, we'll be back. As you all can see, my mom took the ham out. Ham is ready, but mac and cheese is still cooking, and we've added yam. It's getting real, y'all. Getting real. All right, everyone. It is done. It is done. It is done. Look at the turkey.
Cute little turkey, honey.
Yeah, it's a cute little turkey for just me and Madre. Okay, so look, it is done. Look, it's still sizzling. Ooh, almost dropped the camera in there. Almost dropped the phone in there. I know. Looks so good. You just want to dive in. All right. It is nice and brown. I'm showing you the bottom. Nice and brown. Still sizzling, y'all. And the yams are still in there. That would be another video for another time. But I just wanted to end this video. I just wanted to end it. All right. Intro, outro coming soon. I've just claim that as my outro. So, intro, outro coming soon. Peace. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye.